didn't know, today is the nationally recognized day for Introduce a Girl to Engineering Day. And basically the premise behind Introduce a Girl to Engineering Day is to expose you to the field of engineering and the possibilities that are there for you as women in today's society.
Really, you just have to know in your heart that this is where you're meant to be, and this is what you're meant to do, and you're smart enough to do this, and you're capable of doing this. You can't let people bring you down, because I know that you all are capable of making some really great things in this world.
So today's event is yet another chapter in that journey of where things are going. And so at Pitsco, I don't know if you've heard of Pitsco, had any experience with Pitsco, but we've been in business for 50 years providing STEM education solutions, K-12, not only in the United States, lots in Kansas, in the United States, but we also provide solutions to over 70 countries worldwide. I hope that for some of you today, this is the jumping off point for an exciting possibility in a STEM career, whether it be engineering or something in the STEM field. The reason Pitsco exists is to make dreams come true for students and for teachers.